Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a little unboxing on this 5 to 50 pound dumbbell set and a dumbbell rack to hold the dumbbells that I got off Amazon. So let's get right into it. I live kind of close to York Barbell in York, Pennsylvania, so I drove up there. They had this set in stock, and it's pretty nice. You can see it does come from China, but they don't answer the phone up there, so you got to drive up there basically if you see something on the internet, and when you get to the outlet store, you can purchase it. So, you know, everything comes packaged pretty well with these white bands around every box. Some of the boxes actually have two dumbbells in them, but the heavier ones, it's one dumbbell per box. So I kind of made quick work of unboxing, or well, I pulled all the plastic straps off, and then one by one I started slitting open the boxes, and here you can see that they're pretty well packaged. I mean, they're it's nice stuff. They got the ergo grip handle on each one, and they got a nice plastic bag around each dumbbell, I guess, to keep them from getting scuffed up during shipment. And interestingly enough, when I went up there, this whole set was in a giant wooden crate that the guy picked up with a forklift and helped me load in the back of my truck. But, you know, it is a little bit of a pain in the butt to unbox all this stuff, but like I said, they're pretty nice. So here I just threw a little time lapse together of going through the full unboxing, and again, it's the rubber hex dumbbell set, 5 pound to 50 pound set, and I think I paid like around $800 for these. So here they all are out unboxed on the floor in my garage home gym. There's all the cardboard that I'm going to put out in the recycling bin, and over in the trash is all the baggies and all the plastic straps. They didn't have a dumbbell rack in stock, so I bought one off of Amazon, and it came in two separate boxes, and it was probably comparable to what they sell at York Barbell. It's Dell Tech Fitness. So here I am running through, taking both boxes apart, and it's really a heavy duty set. You can see that part's all welded together, and then the big black parts are, that's where I'm going to put it, right where those dumbbells are. And basically you need a 17 millimeter wrench and a 17 millimeter socket, and they give you all the nuts and bolts in that box. So let's get to that. So here's the area where I'm putting it together. I kind of got my camera angle a little bit off here while I'm showing you this, but just basically it's like L-shaped angle iron that just these dumbbells sit on. So the one on the top you put like right side up, and then the one below it you put down below, and that way the dumbbells themselves have something to hold on to. So here I am putting them on there. I kind of got it situated where I want it. My garage floor isn't level, so you can kind of see how I got some pads under the one end to kind of prop it up higher. And if you're buying this and you think you're going to put a 5 pound to 50 pound set on there, you're going to be mistaken. I was unable to get those two little 5 pounders to fit on there. But other than that, it's pretty good. It fits, it holds everything. Like I said, some people I think probably put the fives up on top, and just, if they need them, they lay them across the other dumbbell set. But I went back on Amazon and I looked on the seller's page, and here it does say it's designed to hold a 5 to 50 pound hex dumbbell set. So just a little word of warning: if you buy this rack thinking you're going to do what I did, you're mistaken. Anyway, thanks for watching.